Hello learner, today we are going to discuss about the bounded rationality. Bounded rationality is the idea that rationality is limited when individuals make decision. In other words, human preferences are determined by the changes in outcome relative to a certain reference level. The term bounded rationality is coined by the Herbert Simon in 1955, and he proposed that humans don't possess finite decision-making capabilities. Bounded rationality is the idea that we make decisions that are rational but within the limits of the information available to us and our mental capabilities. These limitations include the difficulty of the problem requiring a decision, our cognitive capability of mind, and whatever time is available to make a decision. So the decision maker in this view act as a satisfier seeking a satisfactory solution rather than going for an optimal solution. Simon disputed the concept of total rationality in administrative behavior. He observed that human behavior is neither total rationally nor totally non-rationally. So it involved what he calls a bounded rationality. So on the other hand, we can say that the human being can only make a satisfying decision, which is a combination of satisfy plus suffice, decision which do not maximize and they only satisfy and suffice. So in other words, the practical decision maker looks for a satisfactory course of action in solving a problem rather than making an endless search for an ideal solution. So he take into account only those few factors of which he is aware, understand and regard as are relevant in decision making. Bounded rationality is the idea that rationality is limited when individuals make decisions. So Simon proposed bounded rationality as an alternative basis for the mathematical and neoclassical economic modeling of decision making as used in economics, political science and related discipline. Bounded rationality is the theory that consumers have limited rational decision making driven by three main factors: the cognitive ability, the time constraint and the imperfect information. For example, when you are ordering at a restaurant, you will make a suboptimal decision because you feel that waiters are in rushed.